friends. Welcome to Dreams to Keys with Broker JD. Kahapon we talked about mindset, yung ready ka na ba talaga to own a home? Today, let's go deeper. Kasi hindi lang ikaw ang bida sa loan journey. Sometimes kailangan mo ng co-borrower. Pero sino ba talaga ang safe kasama? Hindi lahat ng yes ay blessing. Some can be burden. So, let's break it down. Imagine this. You're working on a 8 to 5 job or 9 to 6. Or probably you're on a graveyard shift if you are on a BPO, naka-headset, naka-coffee. Tapos biglang may kaibigan ka na nag-present. I can be your co-borrower. Uy, sama mo naman ako sa loan para mas mabilis ma-approve. Sounds tempting, right? Pero real talk, co-borrower is not just name on paper, it's a commitment. Kung hindi sila stable, ikaw ang sasalo ng lahat. Think of it like a tandem bike. Kung isa lang ang nagpe-pedal, mapapagod ka. And sa loan, pag napagod ka, hindi lang bike ang titigil, pati yung dream house mo ang nakataya. So, here's what you watch out. If you're trying to assess, you have to look for the red flags and the green flags as well. Speaking of red flags, ito yung someone na walang steady income, laging project base, walang payslip. Well, basically, it's not a permanent or stable job. Or may existing loans na hindi pa bayad. So, well, basically that's another way to get disapproved. If you're having a loans that shows you're delinquent. And then mahilig sa bahala na si Batman mindset. Kung ganito ang co-borrower mo, friends, you're not just risking approval. Sayang naman na yung mga equity na binayad mo kung madi-disapprove lang. You're risking your peace of mind as well kasi in the end, ikaw ang magbabayad, ikaw ang magdadala ng stress. And trust me, walang mas masakit sa stress na may utang pero walang bahay. Sakit nun, di ba? So, now, natapos na natin yung red flags. Let's go to the green flags naman. Let's flip. Sino ba talaga ang safe kasama? Well, you have to check if that person has a steady income, like steady work, like 9 to 5 jobs, working in a private establishments, BPO, banks, government. Then, clean credit history, walang utang na iniwan. May savings kahit konti. It's a habit na kahit malit lang. Yan ang kasama na hindi lang pang loan, pang life partner din sa bahay. Kasi kung responsible sila sa pera, chances are responsible din sila sa commitment. And commitment is the real foundation ng bahay mo. So, ask yourself, kung mawawala ang trabaho mo bukas, kaya ba niyang sumalo? Kung magkaproblema sa loan, willing ba siyang mag-step up? Kung hindi mo masagot ng yes, then maybe hindi siya ang safe co-borrower. Think of it like a relationship test. Hindi lang kaya ba niyang makipagkilig, kundi kaya kanyang pakainin. Kasi sa bahay, hindi lang kilig ang kailangan. Security, stability, and shared responsibility rin. So, let me tell you a story. May client ako, a call center agent, a grave shift warrior. Then, gusto niyang kumuha ng townhouse, sabi ng best friend niya. Sama mo ako para mas mabilis ma-approve. Pero, guess what? Yung best friend na laging late sa trabaho, laging may utang sa credit card. So, what happened? Loan got delayed, stress piled up, and friendship got tested. Lesson: hindi lahat ng kaibigan ay co-borrower material. Ikaw, pang anong material ka ba? Co-borrower material or material lang? Sometimes, mas safe yung someone na tahimik pero steady ang payslip kaysa sa barkada na laging you only live once, laging nasa coffee shop, pero pagdating ng close to payday, walang natitira. Lucky me nilang ang pagkain. So friends, remember, ang bahay hindi lang bricks and walls, it's trust. It's teamwork, it's shared responsibility. Kaya bago ka pumirma, do the co-borrower match test. Kasi sa dulo, mas masarap matulog sa bahay na alam mong safe ka, not just sa loan, pero sa kasama mo sa journey. And hey, kung wala kang safe co-borrower, don't panic. There are solo options, there are government programs, there are ways. Ang mahalaga, hindi ka magpapasok ng stress sa pintuan ng bahay mo. So friends, that's it for today. Real talk, ang co-borrower hindi lang pangalan sa papel. It's a partner in your dreams. Kaya choose wisely. This has been Broker JT, turning your dreams into keys. Kita-kits ulit tomorrow for another real estate hack. Stay hustling, stay dreaming, and most of all, stay smart.